Hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Live Team Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Bradenton, Florida looking at brand new construction. Welcome to the Bellmeade, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office and or study, 1791 square feet. And again, one thing I want to point out on this model is there's actually no garage in the front. Your 2-car garage will be in the back. We'll explore that a little bit later. Walking up to the front door, single entry front door. Also towards the front, you do have a beautiful front porch area right over here. Turning back around, here's a view of the front yard. Like I mentioned, there is no garage in the front, so it is just strictly front yard. We are also at the corner of 75th Street and 𝐒𝐪𝐮, so you do have a commercial aspect right in front of you, a brand new Publix, shopping, restaurants right here, right in front of the community, which is really cool. Let's go inside and take a look. Opening up the front door. First thing you notice when you open up is going to be your office and or den right in the front. Let's shut the front door. Let's go over to the left. Towards the front left, you'll have 2 guest bedrooms. So here's guest bedroom number 1. View of the closet. Guest bedroom number 2 is right next door. Another view of the closet. And again, each of these guest bedrooms will share a full guest bath, which is right here. Single vanity, shower tub combo, tile all the way to the ceiling. You could always upgrade that to a full shower, no tub, so definitely something you could always do. Going into the main home itself, view of your living. Right next to that's going to be your dining. And then turning around, you're going to have your kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas range. Turning back around, going through the dining area. Set of sliding glass doors going out to the back. Again, turning back around. So again, if you're looking for under 1,800 square feet, this definitely could be a perfect model for you. Here is your owner bedroom towards the back. King size bed for size reference. So definitely a nice large room. You got double windows over here, and then 2 windows above as well. Going into your owner bath. Double vanities. Walk-in tiled shower. And then towards the back, you do have your closet. And going back into the owner bedroom, another view. So now let's go outside. I want to show you guys the 2-car garage in the back and your backyard entertaining area. So opening up the slider. So here is your backyard entertaining area on this particular model. You are able to put a small plunge pool, and like I mentioned, your 2-car garage will be in the back, so there is the garage right over here. Technically, you would come through this door right there, and then go through this back door to get into the home itself. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575, or visit my website, liveplayflorida.com.